Good morning. This is Mr. Scotchless. Today what we're going to be working on is called a Paseo. Your finished Paseo will look like this. It's going to be done in Google Drawing. To get to this, you're going to sign in to Google Classroom. From my homepage, click on Google Classroom. Remember, your Google account is your last name, first name, at elwood.k12.pa.us. Your password, EC, and your student number. Once you sign in, you will go into your classroom. Your classroom will look something like this. You'll see the Paseo activity. You'll open it up and you'll see the drawing. Once you see the drawing, you will click it to open it up. We did a Google drawing in third grade when we made Lawrence County, so this should look very familiar. Up at the top of the page, we have our tools. This is our document, and in the center of our document, we have a circle. That circle, you'll click to see your cursor. You might even have to double click. When you double click, you'll put in your name. If it doesn't fit, you can always stretch out your circle by pulling at the handles. Holding down the shift while you do this will give you a perfect circle. Remember, when you highlight the inside, you can go to the top of your screen, change your font, your size, you can make it bold, italicized, or underlined, and even change the color of the print. What you're going to need to do now is you're going to link your circle to things that you like to do. What makes you, you? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your line tool. You'll click and hold on one of the dots and drag out. You'll make another circle, so you're going to go to your circle tools. Find the circle, click on it, click and hold and drag, and again, to make a perfect circle, hold down Shift. You can move this circle around by clicking and holding in the center of it. And what we want to do is we want to talk about maybe your favorite things, maybe things that you like to do at home, things that you like to do here at school, the sports that you play, maybe even your family members. Now, off of this circle, what you'll do is you'll add links. So again, I'm going to go to my line tool. I'm going to go and pull out one. As many of you know, I have two daughters, so I will put their names in my Paseo as well. Again, holding down Shift gives you a perfect circle. And again, I'll go to my line tool, click and hold and drag, make another line, make another circle under the shapes, click and hold to make your circle. Line tool, click and hold and drag, make another circle, shapes, and I'll put my wife in here as well. She's part of our family. Oh, it doesn't fit. I need to stretch out my circle. Now, what's nice about these circles is you can make them color-coded. So if I click on any of the circles, I can go to my paint bucket and fill the colors. Dark blue, red, purple, and let's go green. Again, what else can describe me to you? Well, I'll go to my line tool. I'll make another line, a circle, click and hold and drag. Well, you know that I am a teacher. Well, what do I teach? I'm going to go to my line tool, shapes, circle. You know that I teach computers. Oh, it doesn't fit. Pull out those handles and make it fit. If something is really large, I could highlight it and change the size. Perfect. Well, I'm a teacher of computers, but I also do some teaching at my church, so let me include that. Line tool, click and hold and drag. Another circle, click and hold and drag. And I'll label this one church. At any time, I can change the color of the print by highlighting. That is the capital A with a line underneath it. Changing the color. I can change the color of the shape by going to the paint bucket. I'll make that orange. And then finally, I can even change the color of the line if I wanted to. Right now, those lines are all black that are around it. If I wanted to make it white, I can make that line around that circle white. What can you describe yourself? So you're going to create your Paseo, put your name in the middle, add some things about yourself that describe yourself. Add more things around each one of those. Your example should look like this. If you have any questions, I'll be around to help. Go ahead and first log into Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, find the Paseo activity. In the Paseo activity, use the tools at the top. Shapes, you'll use your circle tool. You'll also write in the middle by double-clicking. You can use your writing tools as well, font, size, and color. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great time doing this Paseo activity.